How's everybody today? Excellent. Good answer. Wonderful. I hope you all had wonderful weekends. All right. Shall we begin? Yes. All right. So, in hands up, full sentences, please. Repeat after me. Generate.
Generate.
What does generate mean? Yes, Yura.
Generate means to produce.
Yes, that's exactly what it is. To produce or make something. So, my example sentence, many factories generate pollution. Everyone repeat it, please.
Many factories generate pollution.
Fantastic. Who's going to make a second sentence with generate? Do I have a volunteer? Thank you so much.
The door factories generate lots of doors.
Door factories generate lots of doors. Awesome. Repeat, please.
Door factories generate a lot of doors.
Wonderful. Tremendous.
Tremendous.
What does tremendous mean, Emma?
It means very large and great.
That's exactly it. And who's going to make a sentence with tremendous? Thank you very much.
In the earth there are tremendous water.
Tremendous amounts of water.
In the earth,
On the earth?
on the earth, there are tremendous amount of water.
Amounts.
Amounts of water.
Awesome. Everyone repeat it, please. On the earth,
There are
tremendous amounts.
of water.
Fantastic. All right. Evolution.
Evolution.
Without looking at your sheets, who can tell me what evolution is? Tohyung, can you tell me what evolution is?
To change in a lot of.
Okay, very, very good. And who can make a sentence with evolution? Julie, thank you so much.
People believe that the monkey's evolution is human.
Okay, so we would use a past tense for that. We would use evolved into humans. Okay, so people believe monkeys evolved into humans.
People believe monkeys evolved into humans.
Awesome. Everyone repeat it, please.
People believe monkeys evolved into humans.
All right, very good. Can we try that one more time? People believe.
Monkeys evolved into humans.
Beautiful. Adapt.
Adapt.
What does adapt mean? Yes, Clara.
Adapt means change behavior to live in different places.
That's perfect. Awesome. And who's got that one? Thank you so much.
A desert fox adapted by having big ears.
That's beautiful. All right, everyone repeat it, please. A desert fox adapted by having big ears. All right, we'll try that one more time.
Desert fox adapted by having big ears.
Awesome. And the last one, data.
Data.
What is data? And Emma.
It means facts or information about a subject.
All right, very, very good. And now we will watch.
So this game is very simple. All you have to do is read what you see, right? So I'm going to count you so we don't all do it together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Amazing. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. If you were Portuguese, right? How about this one? 1, 2, 3. What are you reading? There are no words there. I said read what you're seeing, right? It literally says what are reading, right? That's what you should have said, right? Why is this? It's because perception is grounded in our experience, right? The brain takes meaningless information and makes meaning out of it, which means we never see what's there. We never see information. We only ever see what was useful to see in the past, right? Which means when it comes to perception, we're all like this frog. Shakespeare's career became really useful. And sometimes when things don't go our way, we get a little bit annoyed, right? But we're talking about perception here, right? And perception underpins everything we think, we know, we believe, our hopes, our dreams, the clothes we wear, falling in love. Everything begins with perception. Now, perception is grounded in our history. It means we're only ever responding according to what we've done before. But that creates a tremendous problem. Because how can we ever see differently? Now, I'm going to tell you a story about seeing differently. And all new perceptions begin in the same way. They begin with a question.
All right, we'll stop it there for a very, very brief few minutes. So, perception. All right, everyone repeat it. Perception.
Perception.
What is perception? Emma, can you tell me what perception is?
Well, I think perception is like what a person thinks when the person is meeting an object, the first feeling the person is feeling.
Well, that can be a perception. Yeah, it's how we think about and understand something. Okay? It's how we see things and how our brain understands it. Okay? So, like at the beginning, the experiment he did with the letters. Could you read those sentences? Why could you read them? There was nothing there. Yeah.
Because our brain made us read the sentence.
Our brain made us read the sentence.
The brain made us read the sentence.
Excellent. That's exactly it. But there's no letters there. So what is telling us what the sentence says? What is perception grounded in? Yes, Tohyum.
Perception is grounded in our experience.
Exactly. So, the things we've seen and done before shape how we understand things now. Okay? That is perception. Okay? It's all about our history, what we've seen before. So what does everything begin with? What's everything starting with? Yeah?
Everything starts with perception.
With perception, okay? But that leads us to what? What are we constantly doing in life? What must we do?
Thinking.
Well, we are thinking. Very simple. Sentence, please.
Everything starts with questions.
Exactly. We question things. And what is the most dangerous question, he says? And Emma?
He says questions are dangerous because of uncertainty.
They lead to uncertainty. Exactly. So what is uncertainty? What is uncertainty? Clara, do you know? If we're uncertain about something.
Not clear.
Sentence, please. Yes.
Uncertainty means not doubtful.
That's
Not correct.
not always incorrect, but doubtful, definitely. We're uncertain, we're unsure of something. And the most dangerous question, single word? One single word? What's that full sentence, please? Why? Why creates the most uncertainty? We're unsure of things. All right? Do we understand all this? Any questions? Wonderful. Oh, science for everyone. Okay, so we're going to go into the groups. You are going to discuss with your group these lovely questions. I'll be coming to check. Julie, come on over here. You're always good at getting the talking going. All right, so start talking with your partners about these questions. The first question, when is the right age to start teaching children science? Why? So in point form, talk with your partners, and let's get some answers here. We will discuss it in a few minutes. All right, so start talking with your partners about the questions. I'll be coming around and checking. I want to hear lots of talking.
My
science is
You too. I want to hear your voice.
I think the right age because the whole around our lives is connected with the science. So people learn the science in early age. Yes. 8 years old.
All right, so how old do we think you should be when you start learning science?
4 to 5 years.
Because they can understand your person's thing.
Okay, cool. All right, so write it up. You don't have to do full. You can do sort of note form. Just write it down and same ideas and everything. All right. Keep talking about it. Let's go.
Teacher,
Yeah.
we think studying art and science is both important too.
Okay. Do you think they're equally important? Put it down. Tell me why. That's great. You can totally think that one's equal to the other one. So, flip over the pages. You don't need them. Don't read because you know your answers, right? Sure, come on over. So, flip over your pages because you don't need to read it. We're not looking at scripts here. All right. So, what's the right age to start teaching science to children? When should we start it? Yeah. Clara, what do you think?
I think 4 to 5 age is
Just 4 to, we don't need age, it's just 4 to 5. You don't need the word age in there. 4 to 5 is fine.
4 to 5 is a good age to teach science because at this age people can understand people's
Talking.
talking.
Yeah, okay, I think so. 4 or 5 years old, not bad. You don't want to get like really crazy like chemistry and stuff and blow things up, but you can still do it. What about you guys? What do you think is the right age to start teaching science? Julie, what do you think?
Within 6 years old is the right age to start studying science
Why is that?
because it is good to gather curiosity and have some experiments before we go to elementary school.
Okay, sure, why not? Yeah, I started Western age 6. I started studying science, but which would have been 8 here. So it's fun. What subjects should be the priority for very young children? What subjects should we be studying as like little kids be studying? Yeah.
Well, I think like linguistics, the study of language is important. Not foreign languages in the native language because it's always good to prepare for their own language skills.
Awesome. Very good answer. Very good. Yeah. What do you think?
I think to learn language is important because when people learn language all around our lives, the language is crucial for to live. So if we can talk in language, we can understand science, math, and other things.
Okay, good. We broaden it. We change our sentences, and we get more and more complex. Really, really good. Should science be a choice for students who would rather study other subjects? What do we think? What do we think? Do-hyung, what do you think? Quiet.
I think we should choose when they are older
Why is that?
because when they are young we don't know yet why they should study science.
Okay. And most young kids would just like say, I just want to take lunch. All right. What do you think, Julie?
I think that we should just study science without our choice
Yeah.
because I think students need to get same education.
You do, yeah, because we're all at the same level. Okay.